In this video, I'm going to tell you what lead generation is, so stay tuned. So have you ever heard of lead generation? Well, if not, let's talk about it. Lead generation is the process of turning a potential customer into somebody that's on your list, your email list, your messenger list, etc. Once you do that, that person becomes a lead. A lead is a point of contact in which you can have further transactions with down the road through email marketing, messaging, and several other different methods. As a digital marketer, it is super important to have in place a lead generation process. You need to be able to generate leads in order to follow up with people and be able to sell them your products and services. Without leads, you're always reaching out to cold customers, cold audiences, which means it's your first encounter with those people and you won't be able to sell to them as easily, and it will cost you a lot more money. Let's dive through some examples of people who are doing lead generation. So in this first example, we're on entrepreneur.com. And this is about ebooks for your small business success. So this is one of their blog posts, and they're giving different ebooks that you can look at. And then they have this little call to action here that says free webinar, planning for organizational change, HR strategies, and what they want you to do is register now. This is an example of a way to get people to click in order to get to a form where they can opt in and become a lead. If I click on this link, it's going to take me to a registration page where I'm going to fill out my information in order to attend this free webinar. This is one way you can do easy lead generation. You provide what is called a lead magnet, or something to offer up that's free or very low cost and low ticket that would get somebody to opt in, put their information, and be willing to take part in whatever the event is. A lot of people give away free ebooks, free trainings. In this case, it's a webinar. You could have a secret video. You could have a coupon. Basically, anything you can think of that would provide a lot of value to somebody that's low ticket, low cost, or even free, that you wouldn't have to work super hard to get out to them. Plus, it's going to build loyalty and it's going to help them realize that you care about their success and whatever you're doing, and you want them to be happy. And this way, you can follow up with people that trust you and are loyal customers. The second example is on HubSpot.com, which is a leader in the digital marketing space. So when I go to one of their blogs on how to create a marketing plan, they have this pop-up that comes up and says, join 215,000 fellow marketers and get expert marketing tips. If I subscribe to this, it's going to want me to enter my email address, and this is their way of opting me in. They gave me value with a blog article, and they're having me opt in and want me to opt in order to get more tips and to potentially sell me products and services down the road. This is another great way to get people to opt in to your page, your services, and your email list. This way you can follow up with those people. You can create relationships through email marketing for free because you've already acquired them. You can start selling products to the same people that are loyal from the get-go. This way you don't have to keep marketing to cold audiences. Another way you can do this is through your YouTube channel and your description. You can also do this on Instagram and your bio and several other places. So I'm on a big influencer, Big Mark, in the Make Money Online space. And his video to get people's attention is how to earn $75 your first day watching videos online. This gets people's attention and to watch his channel. But then he directs people down to his description where he shows you that you can learn how to make a full-time income online. So if you click this link, this is going to be a way to where you can opt in and make money online. So he has a bridge page here. It's just a quick button to get you to go to the next page, and bam, there it is. There's his opt-in form. So he wants you to opt in to go to his training. And if you put in your email address, he can follow up with you and sell you other affiliate products. He can also send you tips and value and different resources and just build an overall relationship. It's not just about selling products. Building an email list is about building rapport, building an audience that's willing to share your brand and your products, and to be able to get yourself out there in a way that's cost effective. You're always running YouTube ads or Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and you're constantly going to cold audiences, and you're not remarketing and you're not collecting email addresses. You're missing out on constant contact opportunities that end up being free, and you're building these lists that you can use to sell to other people. You can maximize those people in order to sell different affiliate offers, and you can use that to your advantage to build these huge audiences that you can transfer over to your YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, etc. List building is very important, no matter if you do it with email marketing or you do it with a platform like ManyChat, which is more like a chat bot and messenger based. If you want me to show you how I do lead generation and how other expert marketers are doing that, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to make multiple videos on how to create a lead generation machine. Along with lead generation, there are a lot of other systems and skills you have to learn in order to become a successful marketer and business owner online. You have to learn how to build funnels, you have to set up your autoresponder, you have to be able to do video editing and write copy, and to be able to remarket and retarget using pixels. There's so much that you have to do. Sometimes it's so hard that you just want to give up. I've been there. I've wanted to give up so many times. I got to a point where I was getting maybe 1 or 2 subscribers, or I was getting somebody to opt into my list, or 1 sale, but at the same time I was so exhausted. It was so much work to get there. And then I thought, what if somebody else in my shoes had an amazing guide that would help them go step by step through all the different things you need in order to become a successful online business owner? Well, I have great news for you, because I have that book just for you right now. If you're tired of hopping around from website to website trying to figure out all the different resources that you need to succeed online, then you should go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You put that into your address bar, you jump over to this page, and you're going to be able to grab my free fast track guide on how to start an online business. You can learn how people everywhere are leaving their 9-to-5 jobs so they can spend more time with their families while making passive income online as a digital marketer. Learn how to pick the right affiliate networks, pick the right products to promote, how to implement SEO and paid traffic in your strategy, and how to create a funnel and generate your first sale. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link at the top of my description. You can click there, grab my free ebook, and you'll be right on your way to making your first sale and reaching financial freedom. I hope you liked this video. I really appreciate it if you slap that like button. I want you to jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell as fast as you can. This way you don't miss any of my new videos that are going to help you succeed with your online business. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you stay tuned, there's a video right after this one. You should click on that and check it out. See you in the next one. Peace out.